Hi, and welcome to this channel and new video with Python and Linux. In today's video we will continue from previous video with Python ball visualization. This time we're gonna visualize it jumping ball in JupyterLab. So let's just start. Open terminal with Alt space. I will a little bit zoom screen so you can see better on the video. And let's enter our Incus container. Now let's enter our Python version environment with source.venv. Let's clear the screen and let's enter JupyterLab. Like last time, we need to put IP. And let's take our token. It's here. Copy and let's paste it. Login. And we are in. As you can see from previous time, we have this getting started that we did last time. Basics with matplotlib and basic visualization of ball movement. Let's start. Like this, ball. Part 3. I'm gonna change this to markdown. Shift enter to go to next. And let's start. It's gonna install everything and we're gonna hide all of those lines with Q. Quietly install the background. Now let's import all the libraries that we need. I'm importing this HTML from IPython display because with my previous tests and some visualizations I had a problem, so I had to export it as HTML and open it in host machine. So we will do that again. Let's set up our ball. Position is gonna be 100. Velocity. This part I will speed up just because we did this in previous. Now we need to set up the dot that will represent our ball. Now we're gonna give it a color. Let's put red color and let's increase marker size. Now we need to define frames and animation. So we define animate and we give it a name, frames. We're gonna set up global because position and velocity live outside of this function. So we need to set up a global position and velocity. And now let's make animation function. Anim. And at the end, now we're gonna put anim, save it, open close brackets. Let's name it how we want. Let's say ball HTML that we're gonna export. Let's print to the screen a message. Print. So this line of code will save the. Gonna make new file ball HTML. As well, all the frames is gonna export in another directory that we will download to the host machine. And then we're gonna open in browser because we are working in Incus container and Incus container is headless. Let's press Shift Enter. Okay, we have an error. Okay, it's missing here. Press Shift Enter again. Okay, dot is not defined. Something I missed. Okay, yes, I did not define it. I did not put it like this. equal, and now again shift enter, let's see, and more errors. We have it. As you can see, here is the ball. Of course, it's not animated here because it doesn't want to work in JupyterLab. I already tested and tried it, but it's okay. As you can see, now we have it here. We have directory, ball frames, and we have file ball.html. Then open like this. Then I'll show this player. I will just do like this. Right click, download. So it's gonna download to host machine, save file. And as well this one, first of all, it's not gonna download directory. Even if you click right click, there is not to download. You need to zip it. You need to make it into archive. So let's do that. Let's open new file and open terminal. Drag and move terminal on this side, right side, just to see everything. And now let's ls list, and we're gonna see all those files that we have here. Now we see them here. Now we need to make them into archive. Now when we press enter, it's gonna create from this directory, it's gonna create a new one. As you can see, ball frames star. Now when we click right click, now we have here download. Let's download the file, same as previous one. Okay, now when we download the file, we go right here, open directory. We're gonna see it here, ball frames star.js. Let's right click, extract here. And now we get directory with all frames that we exported. Let's go back and let's take this ball HTML and drag it into our browser. When we go to that tab, we see it here. We have a ball that we can play. So if I press play, it just drops. Okay, if you play, it just drops. So we have some issue, not working how it should be. Let's find what is the problem with bouncing ball. Okay, this is a new one. Let's play. Let's see. And it's bouncing. We have 50 frames bouncing. I see some issues that I can fix. Example, second, when I stop here, you can see that half of the ball is below the zero surface. So you can fix that. I will not do that this time. I will leave that for next time. This is it. Nice challenge going from visualization in terminal to this one. In some of next videos, I will take this animation that I created in Python and JupyterLab, and I will do it in Houdini or Blender. Maybe we try both to see which one is better. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for checking this channel and new video. Subscribe, like, comment, and see you next time. Bye bye.